Hello, all the wonderful people there watching my video. Today let's know the 100 mesmerizing facts of our beautiful and incredible India. 1. India is the world's largest democracy with a population of over 1.3 billion people. 2. It is the birthplace of four major religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. 3. India has the second largest English-speaking population in the world, after the United States. 4. The world's largest religious gathering, the Kumbh Mela, takes place in India and attracts millions of pilgrims. 5. India has the world's largest postal network, with over 155,000 post offices. 6. Chess was invented in India and was originally called Chaturanga. 7. The Indian film industry, commonly known as Bollywood, produces the most movies in the world each year. 8. The game of snakes and ladders was invented in ancient India as a moral lesson about karma. 9. India is home to the world's oldest inhabited city, Varanasi, which has been continuously inhabited for over 5,000 years. 10. The world's largest sundial, the Samrat Yantra, is located in Jaipur, India. 11. The Indian national anthem is composed in Bengali and is one of the shortest national anthems in the world. 12. India has the world's largest population of vegetarians. 13. The number system and concept of zero were invented in ancient India. 14. The Indian flag has three horizontal stripes of saffron, white, and green, with a blue Ashoka Chakra wheel in the center. 15. The Indian Railways is one of the largest railway networks in the world, covering over 68,000 kilometers. 16. India is home to the world's highest cricket ground, located in Chil, Himachal Pradesh. 17. The Indian state of Sikkim is the first and only fully organic state in the world. 18. The first university in the world, Takshashila University, was founded in India in 700 BCE. 19. India has the world's largest producer of milk, with over 160 million metric tons produced annually. 20. The Indian city of Mumbai has the most number of millionaires and billionaires in the country. 21. India has the world's largest producer of spices, accounting for more than 70% of global spice production. 22. The Indian epic, Mahabharata, is the longest epic poem in the world, consisting of over 200,000 verses. 23. The Indian rupee symbol, rupee, was adopted in 2010 and is derived from the Devanagari letter, Ra. 24. The Indian city of Kolkata was the capital of British India until 1911. 25. The Taj Mahal, one of the seven wonders of the world, is located in Agra, India. 26. India is the world's largest producer of bananas, mangoes, and milk. 27. The Indian city of Delhi has been destroyed and rebuilt 7 times throughout history. 28. The state of Goa, in India, has the highest per capita income in the country. 29. The Indian state of Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India, with over 93% of the population being literate. 30. The Indian national animal is the Bengal tiger, and the national bird is the Indian peacock. 31. India has a floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar, which operates from a houseboat. 32. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, is the world's 9th largest subtropical desert. 33. India has the world's largest producer of tea, with the region of Assam being famous for its tea plantations. 34. The Indian city of Ahmedabad is the first UNESCO World Heritage City of India. 35. India is home to the world's highest cricket stadium, the Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium, located in Dharamshala. 36. The Indian state of Mizoram has the highest literacy rate among all the states in India, with over 91% literacy. 37. The city of Mauzineram in Meghalaya, India, receives the highest average rainfall in the world. 38. The Indian city of Chennai is home to the second longest urban beach in the world, Marina Beach. 39. India is the largest producer of movies in the world, producing over 1,900 films annually in various languages. 40. The Indian city of Hyderabad is known as the City of Pearls, due to its historic association with the pearl trade. 41. The Indian state of Maharashtra has the highest GDP among all Indian states. 42. The Indian city of Amritsar is home to the Golden Temple, the most sacred site in Sikhism. 43. India is the world's second largest producer of textiles and garments. 44. The Indian state of Rajasthan is known as the Land of Kings, and is famous for its forts and palaces. 45. The city of Agra, India, has 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and Fatehpur Sikri. 46. The Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost state in India and is known for its scenic beauty. 47. India has the world's largest population of youth, with over 50% of the population being under the age of 25. 48. The Indian city of Mysore is famous for its Grand Dasara festival, featuring a procession of decorated elephants. 49. The Indian state of Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India, with over 200 million people. 50. The Indian city of Chennai has the second largest beach in the world, Marina Beach. So friends, that's all for the day. We shall meet again very soon in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.